Hi everyone, this is Asad from EXTNIX and I have just installed our new Android 8 unit in a Toyota Kluger 2010 model. There we go. I'm just gonna start up the unit. Actually start up the car. So now unit is started and you can see it has navigation, music, radio, Bluetooth. All options are over here. Now first thing, even though the time is correct, I will show you how to fix up the timing. We just go here, we go into system settings, click on date time zone, select Australian time zone out of the list. So select Sydney, represent, click on auto. If you want 1300 to show, you'll do this 24-hour time clock, and that's pretty much done. So time is pretty accurate. This is time from the GPS, so you can see that is pretty much there. Alright, now radio
until 9 p.m. today, only at the Good Guys. Exclusions and T's and C's apply. See online.
So you can control the volume there.
Tonight sunny, 22 tomorrow, similar but warmer Saturday.
Alright. Now one of the important settings that everybody asks is the steering wheel control settings. These are literally pretty easy to set. I have already done it, but I'm gonna do again. So start, click on clear. So all settings are clear now. So I'm gonna click plus sign, then I'm going to come to steering wheel. I'm going to press plus, and you can see over here that the plus has come up. Now if I do volume minus, I'm going to press volume minus here, and you can see it is done. Same steps, this, press next, previous, press next, mode, and this is all done. Once it's all done, press end. So now the setup is very easy. Again, you press start, you press clear, and then just press the button on the screen that you want to learn from your steering wheel. Press the steering wheel button and it's all gonna do. Now just to show you, it's all working. So there we go. See
Tuesday with my bra when I'm going.
Here's Marty Shugo. Tonight after 6 p.m.
Alright. Now for coming for the Bluetooth, it's also pretty easy. Come to the setting, you can pair it up. I have paired my daughter's phone just to test the settings. These are the codes for it. To play music, simply you come to this icon with the phone sign and the music sign. You press the music, and there you go. My daughter's favorite singer is singing it. Alright, there we go. That's Shawn Mendes. Okay, yeah, that's done. I have to hand phone back over. Thank you so much, my daughter. Bye bye. That's done. I am going to disable that. And there we go. Okay, so now for navigation settings. Now these are Android systems. For the navigation to work on these ones, we use Google Maps. Now for Google Maps, obviously you have to log on to your Google account. It is simple. First you have to come to the network settings and make sure that you are connecting it to Wi-Fi network available.